Hey guys, my name is Tito. I make videos on personal finance, saving and investing, and in this video, which is taken from the radio show Your Money and You, I talk about the first couple of things that you need to do in order to start selling goods and services successfully online. Now imagine you have a product or a service that you want to start selling internationally in order to increase your profits and in order to earn foreign exchange, right? Well, what would you need to do at the beginning of that endeavor in order to ensure that you achieve this? Now, although I don't mention her name in the clip you're about to watch, I use the actress Beverly Naya and her fashion brand Be Naya as a case study to illustrate a couple of things that you can do at the beginning that will help you successfully sell to an international market. Now guys, before we dive into it, please do me a small favor and like this video by clicking on the like button and subscribe to my channel as well by clicking on the red subscribe button. You doing these things would really help me, this video, and my channel a great deal. But it does depend on the type of item that you're trying to sell. And for example, I mentioned the actress who sells clothing and she's probably doing very well internationally because the clothing items and fashion is such a big deal these days and the clothes look good. And so far, she's able to scale that hurdle of logistics and getting it abroad. And she's on her website, she says she's partnered with DHL. So, I mean, getting it to the client in less than 2 weeks is not a big deal for her. So because of that, that's something that could move. Now, optimizing your system and your ecosystem essentially to be able to receive these foreign funds and to service these foreign clients, you need to just optimize, first of all, your presence online. A very good website goes a long way. Also, your presence on social media, because for many, particularly for influencers, they have a large audience, a large following, and many of their clients and their customers or their sales come from their following on social media. So by being present on the right websites, on the right social media platforms to serve a global audience or specific communities, that's how you can actually get discovered, because they need to discover you first before they buy from you. So the main thing, I think, is to just get discovered, get known, by putting out good work as well, good images on your socials and on your website, so that people get an idea of what you're selling. Finally, let's talk about some tips and best practices for selling online. Let me just list like 7. First of all, research. Research what's moving, what you can sell, and how to sell these things. Number 2, negotiate with your suppliers, especially if you are doing drop shipping. If you are, sending something from a supplier, a manufacturer to your customers, negotiate good prices with your suppliers. Number 3, harvest or collect pictures and videos from your suppliers, of the items, so that you can showcase those pictures on your social media or on your website so that your customers know what you're talking about, what you're selling. Number 4, set up your online platforms, optimize them for your sales, be it Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Number 5, create anticipation or a buzz for what you are selling. 6, sell. That's the name of the game. Try and sell your products. Number 7, do like targeted advertising. As many of you know, you can pay for ads on Facebook and even on Instagram, and several online platforms may even decide to advertise on a competitor's platform or on some of these blogs to let people know that you are selling this thing or that you are available, you are in the market. Number 8, build trust with your customers. I remember when I bought my phone stand, which I'm using right now to record myself, the person I bought it from, she followed up. So that is very important to get business from other people, building trust with your client base. And then back to the suppliers for number 9, have 3 or 4 suppliers just in case one messes up. Have backups, right? And number 10, get feedback from your customers. Whenever customers always have feedback, or typically they do, whether it's good feedback in the sense of positive feedback or negative feedback, get their feedback so that they can help you improve and just do better. Lastly, don't be afraid to show your face on social media or on your platforms to let people know who you are, because people tend to do business better or just feel better with brands they do business with when they know the face behind the brand. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys. I have other videos like this one, so be sure to click on the videos tab on my YouTube channel or click any of the videos showing on the screen right now. And have you liked this video? Be sure to like it by clicking on the like button and subscribe to my channel as well by clicking on the red subscribe button. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next one.